crawled out of bed about 3:45, grabbed my turkey gun and stumbled out the door. I never get up before the crack of dawn, but I'll be sitting at the roost before them first turkeys yawn. Yes, I will. If you want to get a turkey, need a lot more than luck. You can't just sit there like a dumb cluck. It ain't like hunting bucks or waiting for a goose. You gotta sound sexy and learn to seduce. Turkeys kinda do it like this. So I grab my bag of tricks, scratch my head. Time to get them turkeys moving, wake them up from the dead. I reach for Old Faithful, my favorite call. Gonna round me up a herd of them butterballs. I can taste them now. Now you gotta hold still. Still can be. There could be eyeballs in the bushes looking at me. Couldn't itch my nose. My butt began to hurt. Had mosquitoes landing on the back of my shirt.